least these bolts are 2 feet long.
But you said they were short, had them halfway out. That drill bit's bent.
Oh no, they're like this long, and I got that much out.
Oh God.
I don't think this one's
How's this going?
slow. It's a little cockeyed.
Looks like Isaiah.
I know. I'm not into the threads yet, so.
That's all that matters.
Right.
This is when it pops through the cylinder.
What's that?
This is when the drill bit pops through the cylinder.
Don't say that. Why do you no cut?
There we go.
I mean, I'm that far in.
Jesus.
Yeah. I wanted to drill all the way through. You gotta like take the tension off. But now I'm scared because I gotta be getting close to threads. Yeah? I haven't gotten that yet. I want to get a little more heat before we. Be a little less box. Put my head in.
Yeah.
Every time I think I got it.
I hope we're editing that out of the video, right?
Maybe. Everybody loves to see a struggle.
But you need me in your video.
Oh, come on. Just cooperate a little. You know what? We're not going to eat it.
Okay.
Joe Simpson makes the rosebud look easy. I've used one before. I stared right at the flame, so I can't see anything anymore.
No, it just broke the bowl. That looks like red.
Did it?
But now it's just. We can like hang it like.
Yeah.
Let me get some light on
Get
this
some
stuff
light.
there.
You gonna be the lighting guy?
Yeah.
Better job than Fluffer.
Better than some of the other jobs I got.
Is that centered? We call that centered? It's more centered.
Yeah. You just gotta hold the drill center. Pick up on the back of the drill. A little more. I can just see it's all like. Just stop drilling for a minute. Pull it out, look. See it? You would think they'd make drills with levels on the
Yeah,
sides.
well, like side to side, front to back action.
Yeah.
So there you go. Figure it out, and you can retire.
Yeah. Yeah, 'cause it looked like Ray Charles drilled them one.
thought something was happening, and it's just a drill bit sliding into the chuck. I thought we made it home. This is kind of in the middle.
Somebody on you.
Oh, I know. It's kind of wiggling. Right. Yeah.
Soft.
We didn't drill like it was soft. Probably. Yeah, it's just breaking apart. That is pretty off-centered. I'm glad I got that for posterity. Show that to my grandkids. You want to try to do? What do you think? I think the screw-in ones. Do we have any of those left that work?
I never had one. That's it.
The bolts. You don't want the vice grips for those guys.
Yeah. We can try.
Just gotta grab something eventually, right? I'm scared. If the damn thing would break into a couple of pieces, we could fish them out.
Right.
Maybe I can use a punch, and maybe they'll break if I... That one is pretty close.
It looks just like the other one, just different angles.
I thought they worked yesterday. I think this one's got the most sticking out. You sure it's soft?
It seems like it's on both. Fuck up the cylinder head, or the cylinder wall. Plus the ceiling.
That's what the copper stuff is for. You just drill them oversized and put the next size up bolt in it?
How are you going to drill it now without it walking?
I don't know.
Putting a hole up here.
I don't know.
Like you did on my fifth drill.
I don't know. What is this?
You drill a hole.
What is this thing like? 6-to-1 compression. How much head gasket could it need?
What's that? What was no one hold it?
We feel like one in the middle. Yeah. This is the one thing I didn't want to happen.
Everything that's going to happen happened.
Yeah. That one looks like it's moving. break it apart like a rotten tooth. It's already fucked. How much more can we? Yeah. Oh no.
That's like this size.
We only have these in you know, a couple of sizes. And then only a few of those are any good.
So if we put like an oversized nut there, you don't think you can stick the welder stick in there? Just touch it?
Maybe. Like it might be alright because this is aluminum, so the weld should stick to that.
Oh, we got a grinder. We'll fucking smooth surface it.
We'll try that. Funny if other people can see it, right?
I guess.
Burn your fingerprints off all by yourself and there's no one to laugh at you. What's even the point? You like pinch the washer with the bolt? I'm sure we'll be replacing that wire. Ow!
Oh, you got the washer to stick.
No!
Oh, you're showing the world this. This is terrible.
Oh yeah, well. It's stuck now.
Is it?
Oh god. I don't think it's stuck good though. I can't really get inside. We had too many kids for that to be true. Yeah, it's not really welded very well. Can you turn me up one click?
Yep. One click.
One click. I mean it. It's touchy.
It's hard to get just one click.
Yeah. Yeah. Nope. Nope.
That made it worse.
It was. Well, I don't think that took. You want to go ahead?
Oh, those were good.
We'll clean those up with a file.
Where the fuck did you get in?
The dead radiator. It's going to snap off and melt right through that plastic fuel tank. Watch your toes.
It's stuck a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
You need deep penetration.
Yeah.
How many times have you been told
That's
that?
what, more than once. Those are warm.
Which the species is washing that from we've done wasted.
Where did the washer go?
$12
Don't touch that.
Kimball bowl. Not
We're going to do another one. I lost the washer. These are really hot. It's right there. Oh,
Now we need to
Oh no. Yeah, probably. I mean, maybe not that, but like, yeah. I'm gonna use a set of vice grips on
Just ruin an extra. Just ruin another set.
Yes. What would be real good would be to just tack on it to the wrench, and then you hold the wrench up there and weld it in. I don't think Marty would like that. Marty's probably not watching, right?
Doubtful.
Come on, put some on top. Funny if other people. All right, we're at the moment of truth here. So I did everything I can think to do. I bolted the head back on. Those are still all tore up. You can't really see in there. I'm gonna attempt to use the head as a jig to drill these broken bolts all the way out with the correct size drill bit to retap them at 5/16, which is what the hardware is. So in about 3 minutes, I'm gonna be able to tell you if this motor is junk or if we can save it. No tripod today, so I'll be back with an answer. All right. Well, that didn't work. So that's going to the great beyond. That's going to the shredder. I did trade it into the parts section for a 4 kilowatt generator that's on a trailer. So at some point in the future, we'll be looking at that. But for now, that thing, it was going to be too much in time more than anything. I do have another welder generator, a Lincoln, so you know it works. It does run and weld. Just the cart that it's on is no good. We'll get that pulled up, but not now. So you win some, you lose some. I just ran out of talent. Just wasn't good enough to get this one done. Sometimes it's like that. We'll see y'all later.